To be taking down my Bantu Knot set. I washed and blow dried my hair last night, and then I just put some oil in my scalp, and I'm taking this down very quickly to see how they turn out. I'm gonna start at the bottom because I did some of them. I did 2 and 2 together, like these two. I think I got a total of like 8. So I have oil sheen. Oop, y'all see that bounce? This might be one of my best sets ever. But yeah, I made sure I thoroughly. This might be my best. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Lord, let's keep going. Getting a little excited. Oh my god, this might be my best set. I need to buy some new silk scrunchies. I only had them 2 from that big set that I had. And let's take this out of the way. Don't get the bands that have that hard piece on it because it will. Whoa, come on now, stay right. It will rip out every strand of hair that you have. And yes, I was using my things that keep the water from running down your arms. Don't be as rough as me because I'm trying to hurry up. Ooh, my hair smells so. I will show you guys a full hair routine if you want. Just leave a comment. I'm gonna use this oil sheen I purchased. It smells so good. I got it from the local hair store. This is the reason why I didn't use oil to do my takedown because I know about this handy dandy oil sheen. What happened to people using oil sheen? Like oil sheen was the ish. I'm not gonna separate them out too much, but I'm gonna separate them though. Ooh, he's gonna be like that. They're gonna be like that. Yes, honey. Let's finish her. My thanks. Let's finish her. All right, now since I don't know where my pick is, I'm gonna take this part of the blow dry and I'm just at the roots like this. Don't try to get too crazy because you're gonna mess yourself up. Just the roots. All we doing is busting them parts up. Okay? Don't get too ahead of yourself. Be the student. All right. How the back look, y'all? I'm not doing that just to be doing it. You need to do that. For real. I think I'm done. I think I'm gonna just leave it just like this. We don't have to go no further. I'm feeling you. Feeling you, Ma. I'm just doing these just to frame my face. And yeah, we finished. We're done. Stick a fork in us. We're done. Tell me how you liked the video. Thank me later. Bye.